Hi friends, today in PK the Green Chef Kitchen we are going to make a recipe of jawar flour. We are making a jawar garlic liquid dough paratha in PK the Green Chef Kitchen. So before start the recipe, I will tell you some benefits of jawar, why we have to opt jawar in our diet. Here in a bowl I have taken 1 cup of jawar flour. We also called a sorghum flour also in market. So jawar is a highly nutritious millet and it is easily available across India or outside the India. And it is a summer grain. That means it's a keep our body cool and it is good source of fiber. That high fiber to keep your body, to keep your stomach full for a longer time. It helps in weight loss and weight management. It helps to boost the blood sugar levels and good for digestion. And it is loaded with calcium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and vitamins. And jawar is totally a gluten-free flour. And it also controls so many diseases like diabetes, PCOS and thyroid. That means jawar has so many benefits, it is contain so many things that so we have to opt jawar flour in our diet. You can eat this recipe in morning as a morning breakfast or in the afternoon or any time in the evening. Not necessary ki you can eat only in evening, afternoon or morning. Anytime you can eat this jawar recipe, jawar flour, and we are making a jawar garlic paratha in our kitchen. So let's start the recipe. So here I have taken a 1 cup of jawar flour. Now I am adding a salt in this. Salt is as per your taste. I am going to add a salt in this. Now we have to make a batter of this. In this jawar flour we have to add water little by little. Not directly we can put the water. We have to put water slowly and then stir it well. Like this we are going to make our dough. The dough should not be so thick and so thin. It should be in medium consistency. Again I am going to add some water in this and then making a dough for our garlic paratha. This types you can do it. Again I am adding some water in this. Don't put water directly like 2 cup water directly to jawar flour, otherwise become very sticky. Always put water slowly in jawar flour. It is a tip for all of you. This type it's a little thick. Again I am going to add little water in this and then I am mixing it well. Now see, my dough is perfectly ready. Now I am going to add a 1 chopped green chili in this. It is optional. If you don't want to add, don't eat. If you want add more, you can add more in it. It's a garlic cloves. I have taken a 7 to 8 garlic cloves and roughly chopped. I am going to put in this my jawar flour batter and then mix it well. Now my batter is ready. Now we have to leave this batter for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes we have to make a jawar garlic liquid dough paratha in our non-stick tawa. So here I am taking my non-stick pan and my flame is medium. Now I am going to put liquid garlic paratha dough, jawar dough like this. And then just move like this, like we are going to make a chila, same like that. Flame should be medium. Just cover it with a lid for a minute. After a minute we have to change the side of our liquid dough garlic paratha, jawar garlic liquid dough paratha. Now I have to check it out whether it is ready or not. Yes, it's perfectly ready. Now we have to change the side of it. See, it is perfectly cooked from one side. From other side it is also take half a minute, and then it will take half a minute. Then paratha is ready. See, very tasty and healthy recipe. Our garlic liquid dough paratha is ready to serve. Here I am going to serve it with curd. You can serve it with any sabji or dal also. Our garlic liquid dough paratha is ready to serve. It's a gluten-free recipe, good source of protein, high rich in fiber. Hope you like the recipe. Please like and subscribe my channel PK the Green Chef and share with your friends and relatives. And stay tuned with us for yummy and healthy recipes. Bye bye. See you soon.